My name is Randy, and primarily I operate a YouTube channel.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds.
On the side, I have a small car dealership with about 10 or 15 cars. I've been working on cars my whole life because I've been too poor to be able to afford to pay people to do it for me. So I figured since I already have the skills, why not film it?
Let's see if we can get this old car to crank up and come back to life.
You're kidding.
Are you serious? What type of product was used before NOCO that makes NOCO such a special product to you?
When you're walking, I'll do 2 or 3 miles walking around the auction yard. So I needed something that had the capability of jump starting all those cars, but it needed to be more lightweight and far more portable. This thing for years has been my go-to.
What is your favorite feature specifically about the GB150?
It's the longevity. That's the reason I picked it. Is it's very powerful and it will just jumpstart car after car after car. It doesn't matter if it's a diesel or if it's just a little Econobox car. Like, that thing will jumpstart absolutely anything, and it will do it over and over again.
I knew it. Fired right up.
You know, how do you jumpstart a dead car?
Well, I can show you because it just so happens this car has a very, very dead battery. So, perfect candidate. First, you want to locate your terminals. Red is positive and black is usually negative, but always double check the battery itself. And red will go to positive, black will go to negative. And these GB150s are nice because they actually tell you the current state of charge of your battery. And this one is very dead, so you just push the power button and now she'll fire right up.
Doesn't get much easier than that. I mean, that took you, what, maybe 30 seconds total?
And then power it off, remove your cables. This tiny little air compressor was able to air that tire up that quick. This is my go-to for around the lot for tires. I use this mostly for airing up tires. This is definitely a very powerful portable air compressor. Now, is it gonna air these rotten tires that are ripped in half and off the beads? Probably not. But it's worth a try, man. It's worth a try. Are you serious? Look at this tire. And I use the GB150 mostly because I've got like 5 or 6 dead cars at a time. So I'll take that one for jump starting, and I'll use this one mostly for airing up tires. And how often do you see somebody on the side of the road?
Often.
You know, that just needs a jump start or something, or in the parking lot of, you know, a grocery store or something, and you have this in your car. It's not just for you, it can help out somebody else as well. NOCO makes me feel confident.